Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Rexine reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So the people from United States are looking forward for the information related to the legitimacy of this website. And guys, it is an online shopping store that deals with exclusive collection of men's eyewear frames. So here you can take a look at the exclusive collection of this particular store. And talking about the payment information, so you can see the only mode of payment which is available on the site is PayPal, guys. Now let's talk about the shipping information of this particular site. For that you need to visit the shipping and return policy. So in the first section you will get the info related to shipping duration. And guys, according to the website details, orders are shipped within 3 to 5 business days of purchase, and it will take around between 2 to 5 business days to arrive. So this was the shipping info, guys, and now let's talk about other information. But before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And it's really very important to talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, this website is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. Talking about the domain information of the site, the domain name was created on 21st of March 2021. It means that this particular site is a newly launched website and is only 5 days old. So guys, we can't claim the site legit on the basis of its domain age. Apart from that, it is registered for 1 year only. So guys, this site is too new to define its legitimacy. So let's discuss the entire info including company's detail. So we need to visit the About Us page first. So this is the About Us page. Here they have provided limited information, guys. No information is available regarding business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, etc. It means that the website's owner is hiding the identity on other platforms as well and on official website as well. So this is one of the biggest drawbacks again. Now coming to the contact details of this particular site. So this is the contact us page. Here they have provided the entire details, but we would like to inform you that these contact details look suspicious, guys. We can't claim or trust on this site easily, and apart from that, the email which is given on this web page matches with the domain name, which is a positive sign, but suspicious contact details makes the site suspicious, guys. Now coming to the social media presence of this website, you can see no social media icon is available on this web page, which is a negative sign. It means that the site has no social media presence. Coming to the return policy of the site, you will get the return information in second section, which is given in the shipping and return policy page, and it is of 14 days, guys. So do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product, as it will give benefit to other customers as well. And coming to the Rexine reviews, so no reviews are available on the official website, which is a negative sign, guys, because we know customer reviews plays an important role in defining a particular website's legitimacy. But we are not able to find customer reviews on other platforms as well. But yes, we have found some evaluations and given on some other platforms that are the scam advisor and all that. They are claiming the site suspicious or scam due to very low trust index score, which is 1%. Apart from that, this domain name was registered in China, guys, which is again a negative sign. And yes, it's no reviews and low trust index score defines that the site is not much popular online, as this is a newly launched website. It comes with an unknown trustworthiness score. So guys, there are so many loopholes according to the search engines ranking factors. This website is not optimized for search engines as well, so this is again a drawback of this site. So yes, in the final conclusion, we would say this website appears to be a suspicious website, and this site is too new to define its legitimacy, so you need to wait for some time, and we do not recommend you to buy anything from this site, guys. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.